Meraho may share videos now more shown on Facebook no. And you see you don't be a di football na church. Some of these security flaws no. I am impressed we can be able but Obi Beka say and Drew level be say Obi mostly we gloss over it. So we share video here yeah shown on Facebook this year. Yeah what police kind and according to multiple reports yeah you free and so he was stabbed multiple times. And a pull leader from no yanchi. Janto video I wish a pull no I counted about 5 police officers where Akoya was share or muchana as a ibino. You know, as a train fan, Yawu Bisikanda ho. Ya Nipane yanchi. Police officer Jinahon shame fan. Where were the paramedics? Anna onlookers na aba around and obedient to my go shen and fimba bia. Ya one a second. And eyewitness any din common. Or see or one close maybe an akoma no one. And you wanna onlookers nedden to my go air try say or sonny mujas or I don't know.
And I was security personnel when you crowd when near
and in this same video, the ambulance was just about 2 meters away. And the ambulance driver and was a stadium more be.
Miss you no, yes,
the practice abroad is that ambulance driver still was a more stadium on them. You're not supposed to watch the game because more of some of these incidents. Assembly quickly you intervene and save the person. I am here because video ye war police kind no we police the one or yanchi. And to say delay na ba money time ambulance driver no here paramedics no here no or ba no atona na no zero. Janto area hosem. And you see say I was here do that watershed moment. Say some of these venues yam pass it to host Premier League matches. I was here because Janto waka you don't know matter for her ball. Oh, you are alive. Now after 3 hours, what one no one said ever so many was so. Football no kwano se kotoko wini no and answer tema wini no nya 3 points are fan no e dey no benya apart from inner satisfaction. So at no point in time and also football venue a crime scene and I unsafe for fans. And this is where I want the Ghana Police to collaborate with the Ghana Football Association. The GFA should collaborate with the Ghana Police Service. Na animonimu ye omonfa safety measures into akom. Say be ya me or china me custody makoheba. Minim say my life will be safe. Sebi me kono me nkowu. Sanya say beto me be Ghana football people will not go and watch. And that's my problem. So immediately as a matter of urgency, the GFA must intervene. The Ghana Police Service must intervene. Janto uni say on the chama war. Club na one kotoko so Atman FC no. O release statement bi no na me statement we Janto awrebe ho obukura be fu. Incident asiam obi awu. Janto obi awu, obi kuna wu, obi papa wu. Obi nua ba ma wu, obi ba wu. Afena wo be kire mu say culprit no, they were involved no. Any sa pole e kan e ko obi ba akotwa bi na ho na altercation start here. Hwense nwuru bi. Entimidie me little knowledge am want to say per statement and centrama and so trama release here no omu nipa na owo political kunu no because the statement will confirm say culprit ne polling akasakasa bi obi eba akransa no mobile stadium no na say wodi mu omo so immediately they should arrest the cause the arrest of the culprit. This thing should not be swept under the carpet. Jantua, we are talking about human life, and even if it is one life, it is significant, it is important. Here statement and that's all. Third paragraph. Initial reports gathered suggest that an altercation ensued between 2 supporters outside the stadium. We have been informed that an argument had earlier happened between the deceased and the culprit. Not just a war in Sotemoni, Nipana war political Kuno. Animonimu yai, Mumiankofa Kwan and Yenchino. Mestre, football fans, me say, football entertaining sports, Oko venue de Kwaji and at no point in time, I was about what you crumpled da. Say, na, Kwajo. Stadium mo stadium the second show ko stadium mo de kwede
na urefi after the game at my or man kasa post on Facebook omo social media fa social media handle in fato omo say supporters na ninje at least omo yenje omo nya 3 points
o ko stadium e the second show and a sharp object a show mo de kwakoye de honum me feel love FM never this year love ne criminologists be expert be di nkomo love FM papa ne say ye wo obi sekan multiple times e just say premeditated. So that's the suspicion.
We're planning.
Exactly. And you think I may say statement and so Tema release here. The third paragraph nature say, "Oh, but the people now war policy cano." To by 12 noon. I was here chili pano. Oh yeah, it's as simple as that too. Justice must be served. That's the only way we can compensate the family. Sanya sa police who supporting the club. No, I'm a bima. Any compensation between amano. It's a pola tournament monsiedo. Any pana. And so a master to almost say, or a culprit, and they should cause his arrest immediately and never solve the issue, Nana.
All right.